हाइनो हाइ लामसोगो चुखने खरं नायतंनाय जत viewers no tinbo haino hai te kaisa job notification tubi phaika jara private job khlainani muchungi tongnai rok norokni bagai kaisa opportunity o job notification phaisok paika Holy Child School Nalkata 82 miles Dolai Tripurani omongkha brongni registration nong omongkha brongni email ID aro ek number tongo English teacher aro number of post tongo ekta qualification nangnai MA English tei 2 number tongo Mizu teacher aro number of post tongo ekta engkai aboni bagai qualification nangnai graduate hayakeba post graduate Mizu tei 3 number tongo teacher cum hostel warden female ke aro number of post tongo 2ta female ni bagai tei arbo qualification nangnai graduate hayakeba post graduate hingkene chugo tei 4 number tongo teacher cum hostel warden male hayakeba chalarok ni bagai aro number of post tongo ekta hingkai aro qualification nangnai graduate hayakeba post graduate hingkene chugo hingketei NBO tongo je candidate ni DLED hayakeba B.Ed tongkhangke borokno sakang preference sujangnai tei 2 number tongo English o jodi good communication skill tongo hingkai borokno sakang preference sujangnai tei 3 number tongo jara interested candidate norok application form borokni official email ID hayakeba borokni school o thangai joma roi mannai mas maseni 23 tarik ni bisingo tei 4 number tongo je borokni shortlist o mung phainai borokno interview ni bagai ringhorjaknai telephone khaiei ringhorjaknai klai bujui mankhana hanai ar norok jodi o notification na mana muchung khangke chini comment box o telegram ni link rijak tongnai o telegram ni link o thangai telegram channel o join ongoi o notification no norok download khlai mannai hambai।